when it comes to relationships, we constantly feel that we need to work on the other person. No, we need to focus on ourselves. Somewhere we are not clear in our thoughts and in our emotions. That is why there is confusion in the relationship. Start focusing on yourself. Start getting clear about your thoughts. Most of the problems in the relationships we don't even need to bother about. We unnecessarily try to hold on. I need to handle this, I need to handle that, this on my head, that on my head, everything we want to keep. If you just step back and see, you don't need to handle everything. There will be some things which you are very much needed for. Do that with love and move back. If it is a toxic relationship, don't waste your time on the toxic relationship. Get away from the toxic relationship immediately. Start focusing on yourself. The unnecessary baggage you're carrying and letting it go and becoming free from it, then automatically your focus shifts from those people. You're no longer focusing on that person. You're no longer focusing on the other part. You're focusing on yourself. Just focusing on yourself. What you need to do, where you need to go, what your life is made of, what it is not made of, what you want to do with your life. When that the focus is bigger here on your life, then this disturbance with the other person or in the relationship goes up.